Tutorati. In previous video we learned everything about transportation. Today we are going to learn about the last life process that is mentioned in the chapter, that is about excretion. Chalo, let us start with the big interesting topic of excretion. Now kids, there are lots of biochemical reaction happening in the living organism. Biochemical reaction, chemical reactions which are happening in the living cell, इसके लिए उसको biochemical reaction बोले हैं. Now kids, supposingly the food that after digestion, the food is going to be carried to the cell with the help of blood. The food taken in, digestive system ने process किया, the blood is going to take it to each and every cell. Now kids, we know that cell में important reactions are happening. The food is being broken down to release energy. Come on, yes or no? Yes. Inside the cell, the energy is produced from the food in the form of ATP. Now in this process, हमारा body काम का चीज़ें रख लेता है. Yes, our body is going to produce useful as well as kids, certain harmful substances are also produced. Along with the required substance, it also produces harmful substances like urea, uric acid, ammonia. Ma'am, how harmful are these substances? बच्चा, अगर ये substance हमारे body में जम जाते हैं, if the substance are allowed to accumulate in the body, it can cause serious damage, sometimes also leading to death. So just understand the intensity over here. अगर body में रह गए, it can cause lethal problems. So what we need to do, we need to remove them, we need to excrete them from our body. How is it done? Kids, ये जो harmful substances वाले substances है, therefore they are going to, with the help of blood, they are being carried to the kidneys. Why kidneys? Because filtration का काम जो है, that is going to be done with the help of kidneys. So the blood is going to carry it to the kidneys. Kidneys filter the blood and remove the waste products from the body in the form of urine. Urine बच्चा, यूरिया कंटेंट होता है उसके लिए, इसके लिए the word is urine. The human excretory system is going to include, चलो let us see which organs are included in human excretory system. सबसे पहले important है बच्चा pair of kidneys. pair मतलब दो present है. Kidneys के ऊपर आपको ये जो दो structures दिख रहे हैं, those are nothing but adrenal glands. Those are adrenal glands. Okay. Now from the kidneys ऐसे दो thin tube निकलती है, दो thin tube निकलती है. What are they called as? They are called as ureter. Pair of ureters मतलब of course they are going to be two. Both the ureters are going to open up in a single muscular bag-like structure. This is called as urinary bladder. यहाँ पे urine store होता है kids. The urinary bladder is going to open up into a small structure which is called as urethra. So human excretory system consists of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Moving ahead बच्चा about human excretory system. चलो, the same system हमको diagram में आता है for 2 marks. It comes in exam for 2 marks and this is the diagram also given in your textbook. You have kidneys, this is ureter, urinary bladder, this is urethra. Also kids, there is an artery which is going to carry blood to the kidneys. Artery है, इसके लिए red color structure दिया है. It is called as renal artery. The word renal is used in case of kidneys. And of course there is another vessel which is going to take the blood away from the kidney. The vein that carries the blood from the kidney, yes, it is taking from the kidney and it is going back to the heart. So it is called as renal vein. Now let us have the look at the vertical section of kidneys. Kids, kidney को अगर ये plane में cut किया and then if we open it up, this is how the inside of the kidney is going to look. Let us see the labelings for them. The triangular region that you see, this is called as kidney medulla. हम उसको renal medulla भी बोल सकते हैं. I told you the word renal is used for kidney. Next, the region outside the medulla is called as kidney cortex. Outer cortex, inner medulla. Outer cortex, inner medulla. Next, this vessel is renal artery. This vessel is going to be renal vein. Now again kids, the region from where the ureter begin, this is the ureter, and the region from where it begins, it is called as renal pelvis, and of course this structure is nothing but ureter. Kids, vertical section of the kidney is also asked for diagram in the exam for 2 to 3 marks. Kids, kidneys are nothing but bean shape organ. राजमा सबको पता है राइट, हम उसको किडनी बीन्स भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि दोनों का स्ट्रक्चर बहुत सिमिलर है, they resemble each other. Kidneys are the bean shaped organ. Where are they situated? They are situated on the back side. Okay, they are situated on the back side of the abdomen, either side of the vertebral column. एक left side पे रहेगी और एक right side पे रहेगी. The basic filtration unit in kidney, the main filtration का work is done by a structure which is called a cluster of thin walled capillaries, which is nothing but called as nephron. A structure of thin walled capillaries, that is nephron. Let us see. Now kids, we are going to learn about the structure of nephron. This is a magnified image of nephron here. The cup shaped structure, यहाँ पे ये cup के जैसा जो structure दिख रहा है, that is called as Bowman's capsule. A coiled tube like structure, is called as tubule. Tube है, इसके लिए उसका word tubule use किया है. उसके बाद the duct is called as the collecting duct. Over here, this duct is called as collecting duct. The renal artery enters the Bowman's capsule. I am talking about here. Renal artery is going to enter the Bowman's capsule. It forms a network of capillaries. This network of capillaries is called as glomerulus. The network of capillaries is called as glomerulus. Also kids, the entire nephrons or all the nephrons are going to be surrounded with network of blood capillaries. Why? I'll tell you the reason ahead. But this is the structure of nephron. Now let us see the process of urine formation. The blood which contains all the harmful substances, urea, uric acid, ammonia, water and also useful substance, it is brought about from the renal artery. This blood enters the glomerulus through renal artery. चलो let us see. यहाँ से blood enter किया, इसके पास useful and harmful both the substances are present. When the blood passes through the glomerulus, kids, it is going to get filtered. Urea, uric acid, ammonia, water and useful substances get filtered out. Just see, they are going to filter out and this fluid is collected in the Bowman's capsule. ये capsule में collect हो जाता है बच्चा. This fluid collected in the Bowman's capsule is called as glomerular filtrate. Since it is coming from the glomerulus and since it is filtered, that is why it is called as glomerular filtrate. The filtered blood, यहाँ से जो filtered blood हुआ है, it is going to be sent back with the help of renal brain. Okay, chalo, let's see what happens to this glomerular filtrate. Now kids, this glomerular filtrate is going to pass through the rest of the structure of nephron. The filtrate is going to pass through the tubules. Now what happens is while it is passing through the tubules, reabsorption of water, किस ये capillary का purpose वही है, काम की चीजें जो है ना, they are going to be reabsorbed along with the useful molecules. In the tubules, reabsorption of the water and useful molecules takes place. After reabsorption, जो remaining fluid होता है, it's being collected in the form of urine. Now this is going to pass through the tubules and get collected in the collecting duct. अभी ये काम का नहीं है बच्चा. All the useful substance have been taken. Now what remains behind is nothing but urine. Eventually the urine is going to enter in the ureter. यहाँ पे it is going to enter. From the ureter is going to get carried or collected in the urinary bladder. It is stored in the urinary bladder and from there it is thrown out through the urethra. Whenever there is a urge to pass the urine, it is thrown out through the urethra. Kids, we now learn about the topic called as hemodialysis. Many factors like injuries, infection, restricted blood flows, ये सब चीज़ें जो है ओवरऑल किडनी के फंक्शन को हैम्पर करती है. We know the function of kidney, right? To remove the harmful substances from our body. किड्स अगर फंक्शन करना बंद हुआ विच मीन्स दिस सब्सटेंसेस रिमेन इन आवर बॉडी एंड अगर ये रह गए हमारे बॉडी में तो इट कॉजेज लीथल प्रॉब्लम. नाउ दिस सच व्हेन द किडनी इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रीनल फेलियर. नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू इन सच सिचुएशन? It leads to accumulation of poisonous waste of body waste in the body which may even lead to death. In such a case bacha, an artificial machine is used to remove this nitrogenous waste. We cannot let that waste settle in our body. We need to remove it. यहाँ पे बच्चा हम एक artificial machine का use करते हैं. That machine is nothing but called as the hemodialysis machine. चलो let us see how the hemodialysis machine works. Because the important part is here. There is going to be a hemodialyzer. Kidney जो काम करती है filtration का in our body, hemodialyzer is the place where the filtration is going to take place. Firstly, the blood is taken from the artery. Person की artery से blood लिया जाता है. This blood is going to pass through the machine, enter the hemodialyzer. Can you see there are various layers present here? Yes. While it is passing through each layer, the waste products is collected and the blood is being filtered. This process is called as dialysis. सुना रहेगा हमने. Diabetic patients या उनको dialysis वगैरह के treatments देते हैं. Now the blood which is filtered, it is going back into the patient's body in the vein. The purified blood is pumped back into the body of patient. At a time, kids, 500 ml of blood is passed through the dialysing machine. Artificial kidney, artificial machine, hemodialysis machine, these are the terminologies used for that. Now kids, the question that we ask, do plants excrete? Well, the answer is going to be yes बच्चा, plants do excrete. पर उनके पास ना proper ऐसा excretory system नहीं रहता है. In plants, excretion is going to be very simple. No definite excretory system or organ is present. Then how are they going to excrete? Chalo, let us see. The gases are given out by the help of diffusion. Waste is stored in the vacuole of leaves, flowers, fruits and also barks. Vacuoles are nothing but the empty spaces in the cells. And also kids, other waste products are stored as resins and gum in the old xylem. That is, other source such as certain chemicals and gums are stored in other old xylem. So this is how plants are going to excrete. Very simple बच्चा, कोई ज़्यादा proper excretory system या organs नहीं रहते हैं. So this was all about excretion in humans and also in case of plants. Kids, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also give a like to this video. Thank you so much.